One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Morena and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to organize my fridge. So I went for some shopping and a little bit of shopping. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I'm starting over at this part. I love this juice which is called jibambe. There's grapes, there is apple and also mango. So I got lots lots of them because I love drinking juices. Most of my products here are something to drink and something to store in the freezer. So next is this 1 liter juice. It's called Frosty. By the way, these things are new in market but they are sweet, by the way. So this is 1 liter and love apple. You can see even here there is apple. So I got apple and my guy loves berries, so that's why I got this, because I already have another apple in the fridge, so that's why I got this. Next is here I got some ice creams. I love ice cream so much, so I got 3 of them. There's strawberry, vanilla strawberry, yeah, there's also vanilla strawberry and a mango down here. The next is I have tomatoes over here. I guess I've remained with only 2 or 3 tomatoes in the fridge. I will see that later. Then here I have lemon cordial. By the way, I love this juice. I love it. It tastes so good. Yeah, I bought this one and I got some hojos. Down here I have kamande. Is this kamande? Yeah, I have kamande and some samosas down here. Here I have green peas and also kamande and dengu western and also kamande and beans down here. Next is here I got 2 ice creams because I have some in the fridge, and this is meat, chicken meat. And lastly I have milk. I got this full packet of milk because I love taking milk. So I'm going to show you how my fridge is looking right now, then organize the fridge together. So let me show you. So guys, in my freezer there is this ice cream and the other 2 of them. By the way, hey, I mean, it's a mistake. Oh, okay. And there's mishiri over here. Don't mind the way I've stored them because aziko mingi, that's why I've stored them like that. So you can see my freezer is kind of empty. Let me open my fridge. Here I am. I've already switched off the fridge and I can tell you there is jibambe, grapes. You can see it's almost empty. It's like it's empty, by the way. So there is the juices. I have this, even this guava is sweet, by the way, and the apple and berries. And down here there is this juice. I've stored it here, and some water. I'm going to add some water, and there is 1 tomato. Imagine. So on this door there is chapati. I've stored it there, and my 2 chocolates. I love my chocolates when they are cold. And the yogurt, this was my sister's son taking that. And my 2 milk. Even this one was my sister's kid taking that, but kabakisha nikaona I put it there. So that is all about my fridge. So I'm going to wash this fridge, then organize it right now. So let's start.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret stars.
and this is the outcome of how I organized my fridge. And I'm starting over at this part. Here is the freezer. I've placed my samosas over there, the ice cream, the cereals, and the meat behind there, the cereals behind there, and the ice cream also. Even here I've placed the ice cream. Down here I've placed my drinks. So there's this small drinks and the bigger drinks. So there's also this juice. Even the one in the bottle, it's the juice. Behind there, it's a bottle of water and milk. Down here there is tomatoes and ho-ho. And on the door there's 2 chocolates and milk. I also have eggs over there, and my chapati and my yogurt. There is tomato paste, and lastly here is milk. So I've decided to put the extra milk down there because there was nothing I can place here. So I guess this is all about my fridge. So wow, I'm finally done. Look at that. So let's see each other at the next one. Bye bye.